Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be putting together the title from my Christmas Magic Stitch Christmas page kit number 108. And this title is from Miss Kate Cuttables. Go ahead and check her website out if you cut your own images. She does a really awesome job. So we're just going to go ahead and piece this together. If you don't already have my kit, please check it out in my shop. There's a link below this video. Go ahead and click on that and it will take you to my shop where you can pick up the kit for this. This, like I said, this goes with the Stitch Christmas page kit. I am using the Art Glitter Designer Dries Clear Liquid Adhesive with the fine metal tip. I do sell this in my shop as well. It's my favorite glue to use when paper piecing. And I also like to use it just for when I'm working on mini albums and gluing cardstock to cardstock. It's great. You can use it with photos too, but you tend to see the glue lines on the front. I don't like that. But with cardstock, as long as it's just a regular thick cardstock, you're fine. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. Actually, wait a minute. Do not glue this down first. Okay, we can glue, actually we have to glue magic down first. Okay. So glue the magic first. This all has to do with layering. I like to use the pin of my glue just to remove any excess glue. Okay, so now that I have magic glue down, I'm going to go ahead and glue my lights together. Okay, now we can glue the lights on. So this one on the end here is just going to start where that first little loop is right after the C. Okay, now we can glue Christmas down. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick close-up there. And we're going to go ahead and add the light bulb. It's going to go right on top. And the silver part. So one side of this paper is white. Make sure you turn it over so you see the silver. Put the glue on the white. Silver face up. And all done. Thank you so much for watching today. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click that subscribe button and click that bell for notifications to send an alert every time I post new videos. And thank you so much. Again, once again, click that link below in the description. Check out my shop. And thank you so much and have a wonderful day.